Hey guys, it's Vince from DDakji, and today I'll be teaching you how to make Dalgona and DDakji from Squid Game. So what you're gonna need to make Dalgona is sugar, baking soda, a pan or something that looks like this where you can put the sugar and it's fire resistant, chopstick, and some parchment paper. So the first thing you're going to do is fill the little spoon or pan with sugar. See about this much. Then you want to turn on the heat. Oh, let me put this to the side real quick. And then you want to keep on mixing. You don't want to stop mixing or else it's gonna like burn and yeah. Okay, so when you do this, you want the fire to be low. Oops, drop some. And if it doesn't melt, you want to put the thing closer to the fire. And once it starts melting, you can lift it up and, you know, cool it down for a bit. So once it starts to look like this, you can put in your baking soda. Not too much, but about this much. Put it in and you start mixing quickly, real quick. Once it starts to look like this, or a little bit more mixing, you can pour it out immediately, like this. Okay, set it down, push it a little bit, just like that, and there you go. Okay, so once you finish doing this, you can take it off like this, and then you can try to survive by using your toothpick. Oh. Okay. Alright. So now I'm going to be teaching you how to make Korean DDakji. And the first thing you need is paper, and that's about all you need. So what you want to do is you want to cut this piece of paper in half. Well, usually on regular printed paper, you're going to need 2 pieces of paper to make DDakji. But since we have pretty thick paper here, you can just cut this in half and make one with it. Okay, so once you have these 2 halves of the paper, you can just set them in the middle like this, so it looks like a cross. And try to align it to the middle as much as you can for both pieces of paper. First thing you want to do is you want to get one of the bottom parts and you want to fold it in like this. And then just fold it in like this. That's one side. And then do it for the next 3 sides. Like this. You just fold it up. Fold it like this. And you fold it up. And then you want to fold it like this. Fold it up so it gets its shape. And you see this flap right here? You're going to try to put it in this flap. This is the hardest part. Try not to bend it, but if you have to bend it, then go ahead. Okay, and there we go. We have one right here, and we have the other one. And that's how you make Korean DDakji. So there's actually another way you can make the DDakjis that not many people really know about. So you have a sheet of paper, and you want to fold it in half again. Just like that, so it looks like a hot dog. And you want to fold it like this. And you want to fold it up, back out, and think of it like this. You want to make sure you don't fold any of this part right here. What you want to do is fold it up again. You're going to fold this part in. Then you want to fold it like this. Fold it up. Fold this part right here. And then you see this flap again? You're gonna try to put it in there. This is the hardest part for this one too. There we go. This is smaller, but it's harder and it's easier to play with it. That's how you make it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned a lot, and stay safe and healthy with the text.